Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to plan in my Hobonichi weeks. I just wanted to show you my new cover from Elysian. I don't know how to pronounce it. Elysian, Elysian papers. This just came in was it yesterday? And I've already been using it. Lovely trifold cover in 8 weeks size. So you've got my cards here, and then you've got a wide pen case, and then you've got my Hobonichi weeks here. So let's just move some stuff around so I'm actually in frame. And we will be decorating for the week of, there's just an after the pen of last week here. Just making sure that you know what, normally I have this all prepped, and today I'm kind of flying by the seat of my pants, or basically doing not very prepped basically. All right, so I will be planning for the week of March 3rd through 9th. How is it March 3rd through 9th already? Like, February went by so fast. And this week I'm using the Bookish Spring stickers from According to Allie, and I'm going to try and use some mauve and gray alcohol ink stickers. If you like these stickers, you can use my code Karina10 for 10% off your stickers from According to Allie. And she's actually having her anniversary sale this week. So yes, you can still use my affiliate link, and there'll be a big sale this week too. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, so I'm going to use my Mahjong A1 here, and this has Pilot Iroshizuku Takesumi, and I'm going to draw out my grid. This is weird for me to be doing this straight in the planner cover. I normally have it out, but it's something that I do want to get used to doing. So I split my grid into 3 columns here. The first column is for my work schedule and any appointments. Second column is for a to-do list, and then third column is for weather. And that's not straight, but that's okay. So let's put these stickers down first. I'm going to cover this area with, where is my, this wiper cream tape. I bought more of this actually from Paper Plus Cloth, and it's the perfect, I guess, cream whiteout for the Hobonichi weeks, because obviously the Hobonichi weeks is cream colored paper and not white. You don't really want whiteout that is white on cream paper. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna place some of the alcohol ink down at the bottom, but I normally cut them in half because it's a smaller space down there. So I cut them in half as straight as I can humanly manage. And just place them. I sometimes decide to put them upside down like this, like they're coming from the grid, which I think looks really cute. And then, I'll put this itty bitty one right here. And then maybe there's some of these that can go down here too, like that. Ooh, that glasses. Oh, I love them. They look like tortoiseshell glasses. Cute. And maybe the cup of tea. Oh, cute. Oh, I love the colors that Allie chose for this, like the greens and the pinks. Really cute, actually. I'm gonna place that there. Okay, then how I'm going to decorate this bigger area, because in the last few weeks I've been putting a, big sticker in the middle, a sticker here. So maybe this week I'll put stickers like in the 2 corners, or the 2 corners, and go from there. So maybe if I just do half, yeah, cut that right in half. Then place this here. Oh, I think my husband's home. And then Maybe if I do the pink one on top of that too. Like down here. Oh, cute. Then do the other one up at the top. Gosh, I'm already making a mess. And it's going to be a little bit harder to manage this unless I take it out. But I don't necessarily want to take it out every time to plan. But we'll see. New cover, new routine. Not straight. That's okay. All right, making sure I am still in frame. Now, oh, I love that big pile of books. But I'm wondering like which one is the best one to put there. So let's put this one. Oops. Down here. And then this one. Or maybe put the cat up here. Yeah, let's put the cat. And, oh, that's cute. And then I think one last thing I want to put down here before I start filling everything in, because I'm going to save these stickers for my highlights up at the back here, which I haven't done that for this. Oh, no, I haven't done Thursday or Friday. Okay, and maybe the book, maybe that book. I think I actually need to do, I don't know. Okay, let's plan out the rest because sometimes I need to put everything else down and then figure out what it is that I'm doing. So for work schedule, I'm going to use, oops, my Just Turnings in the Swirly Joyful Kismet. This is a resin that I asked Tim of Turn Pen Co. to do it for me. And then Stephen of Just Turnings made this beautiful pen. So 9 to 5:30. I'm trying to remember if there are any big appointments that I have to remember for during the week, and I don't think there are. In the last month, we've had a lot of appointments where I've had to change or adjust my work schedule a bit. And I know that 5:30 that should work. Okay, and then Friday 9 to 5:30. Then Henry 11:15 to 12. Henry has swimming. Ooh, the Saturday's a big day because then I also have 1 o'clock manicure, 2:20 massage, and then our big family, it's our birthday potluck. So what we're actually doing is we have a lot of birthdays in February and March in my family. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in February, and then 2 of us in March. So we're all celebrating, and we're doing a family potluck where we're all bringing a dish that starts with the first letter of our first name. Obviously with K, I had such a hard time trying to think of one for K, and I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna do king prawns. And I'm going to do king prawns and probably like a lemon garlic sauce or something. And then Sunday, Henry at badminton. Okay, so a lot on the list for that part of the week. Then, is there anything else happening? There's always something, you know, at the back of my mind thinking that there's something else that I need to be doing. There's always something else that I need to be doing. Then I need to meal plan, order groceries. On Tuesday, we put out garbage. And then Wednesday, nothing. Thursdays, pick up the groceries. Friday, nothing, but there's a lot of prep that has to be done that day. So there's also cleaning. There's going to be bed linens and bathrooms. My husband does the vacuuming and the windows, and Henry will do the door handles and light switches. Okay, and then, oh, I smudged, but that's okay. And then I'm going to, oh, I know, but I won't add that in just yet because I don't necessarily know if that will work out. So somebody asked me, do you do a lot of planning off camera? And it is true, I do decorate my spread on camera, but then the actual filling out of my planner I do throughout the week. And I love that. Like, I cross things out, I add things in, and it's just very functional and very lived in for me, and I love that. And it's not always the most aesthetic. It's not always the most pretty looking or Instagram worthy, but I love it. I love how it looks like life. It looks like life. And okay, so on this side, let's do my tasks, but I need to get a Tombow marker. Hold on. Okay, so the first thing we'll do on this side here, I always use blotting paper because I know me and I will probably make a mess. And do one here. Okay. One will be for sleep. And this is where I keep track of my sleep score. Did I leave enough days of the week here? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Perfect. Did I do that right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oh my goodness, my brain. I almost didn't film this today. It's currently Saturday. I was going to leave this until tomorrow, and then I said to myself, no, just do it, and you'll enjoy it while you're doing it. And I am. I do enjoy filming these and planning these out and talking through them. So that is where I track my sleep score. And then here will be my workouts. Oh. And Monday. Every week I have to say the days of the week as if I don't know what they are. I don't know why, but I just do. Okay, then underneath we'll have habits. And I've been doing well with listening to my audiobook. I finished an audiobook. I'm a bit behind on my reading goal for this year, but I can catch up. So habits, we're going to do, what do I do? I still have to check every week. What do I do? Okay, let's do it. Vitamins. This is not writing well. So let's switch to my Vanishing Point, which has the same ink. Vitamins. And then audiobook. And nighttime routine. No stationery. Spend. And trying to read 10 pages, but I'm going to leave that off for now because I feel like I'm just pressuring myself to do something that isn't working out for me. Okay, then let's put tasks right underneath that. And I know tasks, there's a couple of things that I do need to get to doing. Oh, by the way, thank you all for your comments last week about how I managed to turn tasks into habits. Pretty proud of that. A couple of tasks that I actually do want to write in here. I need to actually renew my license. That's the big one this year, like my driver's license. Okay. Oh, Lucy is barking because my husband is now officially home. Okay, so now for the weather. The weather's looking amazing for the next week, by the way. And a lot of the snow that we've had has already melted considering where we were this time last week. So Monday is cloudy, Tuesday is sunny, Wednesday partly cloudy, then Thursday is sunny, Friday is partly cloudy, and then Saturday and Sunday are cloudy. Oops, yeah, totally not centered, but I do my best. Okay, weather for next week. And oh, don't forget the blotting paper. So I'm hoping that we don't have any more dips into the -20s. It looks like we are heading into spring, although the lowest I'm seeing is -6, which is fine. A low of -6 I can handle. And actually, it's funny. We already see people in shorts and t-shirts. This is what happens when you're in -20 weather for so long, and then suddenly you have like a huge shift in temperature and people go out in shorts and sandals. Yeah, 6 degrees. It's actually warmer here than it is in, I think, Toronto right now, or in Ontario, in some parts of Ontario right now. And Saturday, I'm trying to look at my weather app and I keep getting confused. But it's amazing to me how much the weather changes in such a short span of time. All right. Okay, now that I've put everything down, I feel like I can add other things to my spread here. So maybe I want to add these flowers. I'm a little worried about how these were cut. There we go. Oh, that's cute there. And then I can add something here. And then I think I'm done. All right. I say quick and easy, but it's meant to be something fun, easy, light. I don't want this to stress me out. So yeah, that is it for now. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions about this, please let me know down in the comments below. Otherwise, if you're interested in According to Ali stickers, use the code Karina10 to get 10% off. Thank you again so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.